This is the most northern population of the Australian sea lion. So they use a lot of the islands around here to haul out and breed. So we walk around each of the islands and basically record every sea lion that we see. The tiny pups, so the black pups and the brown pups and the cows and the bulls. And so we get a total population. Currently, we believe there's around a couple of hundred sea lions that use the 𝗹𝗏𝗧. We do think that the population is decreasing as a species. The population estimates at the 𝗹𝗏𝗧 at the moment seem to be okay. So that's why it's really important for us to continue monitoring them. The females live about 18 to 20 years old and the males live to around 26 years old. The females start breeding at around 6 years old. Once they have their pup, they will stay with the pup until it's about 10 days old, and then the female will go back for feeding. So the population here at the 𝗹𝗏𝗧 is genetically distinct to the population at Jurien, which is the closest colony. So again, that's why it's really important for us to monitor the numbers here to find out what's going on. We also take rubbish bags with us because it's really important to keep the environment clean for both the sea lions and the breeding seabirds. We have seen sea lions with entanglements around their neck. And so trying to keep the environment as clean as possible is really important for the health of the species and just generally keeping the islands clean as possible because it's such a beautiful, unique environment. I love being a ranger out here. It's amazing. You get to look after all the different species and work with sea lions, seabirds and the researchers that we've got out here at the moment to learn from them, and just the variety and just the ability to look after such a beautiful part of the world is pretty amazing.